How to convert image to PDF on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert one or more images into a PDF using your iPhone without any third-party applications. So let's get started. So there are two methods that I'm going to tell you. One is using your gallery and the other is using a third-party tool. For the first one, head over to Photos and let's say this is the picture that you wish to change to PDF. So first of all, you're going to click on the share icon here. Then you're going to scroll down till you find the option of print. Simply click on print and you'll be able to see something like this. Next, you're going to click on share here once again. Then you're going to scroll down and click on Save to Files. Simply click on Save to Files and navigate to the place within your files where you wish to save the PDF. Then simply head over to that location and you'll be able to view that PDF and then you can send that PDF from there to whoever you want. The second method is also quite simple. You're going to simply head over to any of the search engine you have, such as Google, Chrome, or Safari. I've opened Safari because I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can simply head over to Chrome or Google. Then you're going to search for pdfgadget.com. There are various third-party applications, but I personally like this one. So you're going to search for pdfgadget.com and then you're going to scroll down till you find the option of image to PDF. Click on it and then you'll be redirected to another interface where you'll be asked to upload your image. So what you gotta do is simply click on choose files and select where your image is located. Let's say if you wish to take the photo right now, you can click on take photo. If that image is located in files, you gotta click here. If that image is in photo library, like in our case, you gotta click on photo library.